So in today's video, we're going to be exploring the narrow streets of Kotor's Old Town
and see if we can find some halal food
and discover if this destination should be on every traveller's radar.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Field of Visions, a family of 3 that's been travelling the world for 3 years. So you could say we're experienced travellers. In this video, we're going to share with you
KOTOR Montenegro, a true hidden gem, often overlooked by Muslim travellers.
Nestled along the Adriatic coast, this UNESCO World Heritage Town is rich in culture, history and breathtaking scenery.
Isn't that right, Zacarinos? Yay!
Yay, let's go!
Coming up in this video, things get a little crazy. Irfan gets into a bit of trouble with the waiter, don't ask.
Why are you doing this? Third time credit.
Then our boat driver totally kicks off.
Oh, he's chasing him.
Yeah.
But don't worry, it's not all drama. We went to the nicest Turkish restaurant right by the seaside. And to wrap it up, we ended the day with the most breathtaking sunset boat tour around Kotor.
First things first, we are going to one of the top rated restaurants here right by the seaside. We're going to fill our bellies, and it did say it's halal online, and when we Google search there were quite a few halal options, but this one looked like one of the best ones, but we'll confirm that now.
So we confirmed the food is halal, which is good. So we just ordered a bunch of food because the menu looks very good here. And I have to say, the view of this restaurant is absolutely stunning. So, if anything, you're pretty much killing 2 birds with 1 stone here by getting to explore the bay and having lunch, which is something that we definitely had to do right now, because when we left this morning, we had all intentions of getting up early and getting there for like 10, 11 o'clock, but didn't get up till 9:30 today. Yeah, that wasn't happening. It's a really lovely restaurant. Let's see what the food is like, because I am starving.
It's actually really nice sitting by the water, get a nice breeze. I'm excited for this food.
Hello, young man.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, some Turkish bread.
Right.
Okay, you can eat this one. Yogurt with the bread. That's very good.
Okay.
For you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, let's try this. Tzatziki.
And the proper Turkish bread.
Yeah, proper. I'm gonna go with this one.
That looks like it's ajmar, but
No, this is the Turkish chili sauce.
the Turkish one. Spicy.
I'm in a kebab shop in the UK, and I've just asked Bossman to put chili sauce on the Madonna kebab. That's what it is.
Do you like it? Yeah, good boy, aren't you, Shuna Bula? This is Balkan's famous herbal cocktail drink, which is like your Coca-Cola but herbal version. We were having it in Bosnia all the time. Irfan's not having it because it's not the sugar-free one and he's a health freak, but I can't resist having a nice cola with our meal. Yummylicious. Can't beat it. Whoa, look at this food.
Ooh.
That looks absolutely delicious. Give me a sneak preview.
Hide it. Oh, look at that.
That looks good, man. Then you got the fajitas there, honey bunnies.
These are big portions, you know.
Garlic.
That's the garlic bread.
Oh, that's for Zacarinos. Right, let's try it.
Food looks good, man. I'm gonna try a chicken piece first. Oh yeah, that is good.
That was lovely.
That was a delicious food.
Thank you, ciao. Here you have the beautiful promenade. People are just sitting, sunbathing. Zakaria just picking which ice cream he wants. What do you want? You want this one? It's ice cream
Yeah?
cone. Come on then, let's get that one.
Whoa, look at the size of this one, Zakaria. That is
Better.
huge. It's the
Zakaria,
size of your
it's the size
head,
of
mate.
you, that ice cream. Can I try some? Mmm. Right, so we're just at the pier right now, and to be honest, I'm quite surprised that the price is actually quite reasonable. 20 euros for the boat. Okay, what's your company name?
Golden Wave.
Golden Wave.
Golden
Look for this
Wave.
guy, this handsome guy. See you later. Bye-bye. Right, we've just booked our tour for 6 p.m, which hopefully it'll be a lot cooler. It'll be a nice little ride, so Korea can have his little nap now, and we can walk around the old town. I'm excited for the boat tour. Ooh, the vibe here is totally different to where we were yesterday in Budva. Budva was quite crazy, hectic, but here looks like it's more chill, a lot going on. You've got a fruit market here that we're just walking past, which looks really cool. Do you guys want the deck check? It is 3 o'clock, 3:15, and the deck check right now is 35 degrees. 35 degrees, highs of 37, lows of 22. Crazy minute, is it? This town is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Town, which is pretty cool. It's quite old. Look at the walls. You got the cannon shots. going through this now. Oh, look at the flooring. It's all like that slippery old.
Oh yeah, it is very slippery. Here we're going through the old
You
town.
don't want to be here when it's raining.
It's quite like very wide and open, isn't it?
Yeah, as soon as you walk in, it's just like cool.
Oh, this looks beautiful.
So, factual facts with me today. Kotor is actually situated on a narrow strip of land wedged between the sea and the hill of San Giovanni. Take that for free.
And all across it is surrounded by water, which is really interesting. There's 3 gates to enter. One's called Main Gate, one's called North Gate, and one's called South Gate. They were built in 1555, and when you're walking across the main promenade, you can see like the way the garrison was built. It's really, really tall, and not only is it built across the edge of the city, but you can also see the walled city going built right up the hill as well, because you had invaders not only coming in by sea, but also inland as well. So that's why they built those fortifications on either side, which when we were driving into Kotor, I found a bit weird because you don't really see walled cities and the walls protecting them being built across a really, really steep hill, because like no one really attacked from that side, but looks like they needed to, which was I just found that really odd when we were driving in.
Did they need to protect themselves from maybe the Turkish at the time?
I think so.
They got everywhere, didn't they?
Yeah, and that's what it looks like in the pictures. So you can see like the fortification is built really steep up the hill. Oh, and there's our first cat. Hi, it's Bongo. Hi, Bongo.
Kotor is actually a home to many cats. There's actually a cat museum here for your cat lovers out there. Apparently, we're meant to see lots of cats, so let's see if we walk around. This is cat number 1.
And also it's home to some of the most famous Haute Couture brands out there, like Louis Vuitton. Here
Is
we go,
it?
look at that. Louis Vuitton outfit there.
Is it?
Yeah, and of course it's genuine. It's not fake. That was a joke, by the way.
Wow.
It was at this moment that she knew.
All right. Oh, look, you got blue arrows telling you which way traffic should go. Very organized.
Oh yeah.
Very demure, very mindful.
They're actually quite quiet compared to Budva, where they were absolutely rammed at night.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's stunning.
Oh wow, this is the plaza.
I think this is the church.
main church,
That's like
yeah.
made in like 11th century.
Just what you need on a hot day, right?
Yeah.
That is
It feels
sick.
so good. You
I'm gonna go. Ah. That is actually really, really good. I'd pay €5 for that.
Every corner you turn, it just gets prettier and prettier.
You go through a narrow street like this behind me, and then when you come out, you end up in literally like a courtyard area like this, and then there's
Where?
cats there.
Oh yeah, cat number 2, guys.
In comparison to Budva, which we went to, that old town was really small, but all the streets were very, very narrow and dingy. And I dare to think what it's like there during the day when it's really, really hot. But here,
I think it had its own little charm though. I did quite like it. It was
Yeah,
quite
it
narrow, but
did.
it had like pizza shops and food stalls and ice cream parlours. Loads
Ah,
of
in
old
Budva.
palaces here, I can see. There's one there from the 15th, 16th.
17th century kind of houses here. Look at this. This guy knows how to handle the camera now, doesn't he? Basically, if I translate for Zakaria, he's like, I want to hold the camera, I want to do everything. Good morning, everyone. It's lovely to see you. And this is the view that I get when I am seeing the
I
world.
feel like he wants to turn it around. Oh, there you go. Wow, good perspective, Zakaria.
Yeah, Zakaria. Hi! Hi, Zakaria.
Hi.
Hi, he controls the camera really well.
Thank you.
We have cat number 4 here, Zakaria, don't we? Every little place you go to, there's like these cute little corners here like this, where you can take some lovely pictures. This is a black cat that we've got here now.
Cat number 4 or 5?
5. Oh, there's 2. Cat number 6
Oh,
there.
6.
Hi.
2 black cats. Wow, I love black cats.
Yeah.
Found these stairs. Oh, there's restaurants up here. I think there's a view as well. Let's have a look. That's a nice view of the city. Views here are so beautiful. Look at that.
Well, the plan was to get Zakaria to go to sleep so that we can get a boat tour at 6 o'clock. But after an hour, this is what the situation is. He's tucking into some pure chocolala.
He's living his best life.
Yeah. Just sat in the cafe, very nice, cute one in the middle of the square. And we've got a strategic location by the fan, which is blowing some water out. But freaking loads of bees, man.
We had bees in our drinks, but luckily the waiter just returned it and got us some fresh ones. That's why this is still full.
Just making our way to the boat tour now. It's about a few minutes walk from the historic town, which is not too bad. It's an hour-and-a-half ride.
20 euros each, which is not bad for European pricing.
Someone's excited.
I'm excited.
Let's go this one.
Right, we are going on the boat. Very different to the Southeast Asia boats.
Yeah.
Look how comfy these chairs are. Look at that. It's like Recaro cushions.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised. Everyone's got the top dollar seat there.
Zakaria, go on the
Are
boat.
you excited?
Yeah.
This is what you get when you go on a European boat tour, and the fact that it's cost 20 euros each for an hour and a half ride is
Banging.
banging. What do you say, Zakaria? Yay! Woo! The sea is relatively smooth, I would say. Zakaria's liking the bumpy ride, aren't you?
There she is, Lady of the Rock.
That, wow. Right in the middle of the ocean. So we're just gonna have a little stop here, I think. There's another little monastery on the side there.
Wow, that's a really nice boat ride so far. So we've just stopped off at Lady of the Rock, or Lady of the Rock, for 20 minutes pit stop. So nice at this time now, the sun is just setting. Commotion going on at the minute, but our boat driver is saying something to that guy.
Yeah,
He's chasing him,
yeah.
telling him to stop. That's so strange.
Yeah, it's very weird. He was like literally calling them out when they were passing.
I thought he was saying hello to him as his mate.
That's what I thought, but then all of a sudden he was a bit like, whoa, someone was saying something. Come back,
Oh,
come
look.
back.
So it's fair to say things got a little bit heated on our boat tour. Our driver was kicking off with some guy speeding near the docked boats. He was worried that the waves could slam into them or cause some damage. It was proper chaos.
This is stunning, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
Look at this, just in the middle of the ocean, you have this beautiful little island. It's
Literally-
absolutely tiny.
It's like a platform and that's it.
Yeah, look at that. Should we jump in? Woo!
Woo! And it's like a beautiful little church in the middle of this rock.
Back on the boat we go. All right, guys, we made it to our second stop, which is Perast. I think I said that right. This is where we are probably going to come and chill tomorrow. This looks so cool. Nice little cute wedding going on here.
What a sick place to have a wedding.
Urban has eyed up this ice cream shop.
Yeah, locally produced, and this place is packed. There was one in the other old town which was packed in Kotor, so I think it's very good. But this little town is really, really nice.
It's a cute little town, isn't it?
It definitely is. Worth a little stop off. This town is really, really cute. It's got some very beautiful buildings and some very, very nice looking restaurants and shops. So plenty of places to eat. Seen some pomegranate juice which I've been dying for. I don't know how much it is. Should we try some?
Yeah.
Let's get some.
1 cup and it's €3.
Not too shabby that, not too
Oh,
shabby.
pure
That is
Sell
top
the
notch
wine.
tune.
That's how you make money.
Yeah,
If you drink the wine, you make no money.
that is banging juice.
I like
It's
it.
very good juice, I like it.
Yeah, thank you very much. We're just wandering off to the streets now, trying to find a market. This is so cute. We've got a boat there, just by the wall. Here's the market. Got your
Okay.
snacks and stuff, carrots.
Ah, okay, so it's like snacks and ice creams and stuff.
Back on the boat we are. Oh, that was lovely.
That was lovely.
Right by the pier, you've got bouncy castle and trampolines for the kids. Go on, Zakaria, your 10 minutes starts now. Let's go, let's go. Woohoo! Go, Zakaria! Yeah, well done. There you go. Right by the pier, you've got this beautiful park, which is absolutely free of charge. We've seen this after paying the €2, but it's all right. Zakaria went to do the trampoline. We've had such an amazing time exploring this beautiful town. The question at the beginning was, is it suitable for Muslim travellers? So what do you say, Arfan? Do you think it's suitable?
Yeah, I definitely recommend it. There's so much to do here. You've got boat tours, you've got the historic town to walk around. There's loads of little different kind of things that you can explore, and there is halal food options as well. We went to one restaurant, but if you quick Google, there's at least 3 or 4 others here
Yeah.
serving different types of cuisines. So
And on that note as well, guys, just because a place doesn't serve halal food doesn't mean it's not Muslim friendly. You can travel the whole world. We've done it before now, and we've spent to places like Vietnam and Philippines. We stuck to having margarita pizzas and chips. So yeah, I would say definitely it's an absolute vibe, this city. It's actually probably one of the underrated hidden gems here in Europe. That was very fast.
Pomodoro.
Thank you. That's for Zakaria. Yeah, thank you very much.
Aglio, olio, it's too chili for this.
Yeah, chili for me.
You like chili?
Yeah.
Eat it.
Nah.
And they will bring you cheese in one service for the guy.
Thank you very much. So he's gonna get cheese on his. I wanted cheese, Zakaria. Whoa, look at that. Yummy delicious.
Thank you. I'm okay, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Why are you doing this?
Okay, go
Yeah,
on,
do
go
it.
on,
You have to
go
do
on, another bit, go
it.
on.
He tries to be healthy.
Healthy with pasta without cheese.
I like lots of cheese, by the way.
First time heard that he wanna be healthy without cheese. Being a bad boy. Bad boy get a lot of cheese.
Fully loaded with cheese, and F, I didn't really have a choice.
We ended the night at La Caterdral Pasta bar, and honestly it was some of the best pasta we've ever had, and the staff were absolute jokers. Make sure you check this place out. So if you like this video, you've got to check out this one. This is where we crossed the borders from Sarajevo to Puerto Rico. It was a proper adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Bye.